Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss about the Computer Science and Applications Paper 2 UGC NET December 2005 solutions. First question, T is a graph with n vertices. T is connected and has exactly n minus 1 edges. We will take one example, A to B and B to C, here D to E. So this is a tree and it has no cycle. Every pair of vertices in a tree is connected by exactly one path and total number of vertices is 5 and n minus 1 edges. So T is a tree and no cycles. Every pair of vertices connected by exactly one path. It satisfies the all options. So answer all of the above. Second question, if the proposition negation P implies Q is true, then the truth value of the proposition negation P and P implies Q is multi-valued. Third question, let A and B be two arbitrary events, then. So here A and B, two arbitrary events. P of A intersection B not equals to 0. And in a set theory, we have one formula, P of A union B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So we will write it as a P of A union B less than or equals to P of A plus P of B. So option C. Fourth question, which sentence can be generated by the given grammar S tends to D, B, A and A tends to D, C, C, A. We have to see which option is right to satisfy the grammar. First we will take S tends to B, A and B, C, C, A. Here we have two options, D and again C, C, A. We will see B, C, C, D. And one more option is B, C, C and again C, C, A. So in these options none of the above is the right answer. Why means no option is satisfied. B, C, C, it is one and it is another one. Generated sentence. So somewhat it will be matched here. So none of the above is answer. And in fifth question, regular expression A plus B denotes the set. In regular expression A, B are the A, B we will take as a variables. So this is the right option. Which of the following divisible by 4? Here, fifth question. Regular expression A plus B denotes the set. Here set A plus B means AB. This is the answer. Sixth question, which of the following is divisible by 4? Here we will take lower nibble points. Nibble means how many bits? 4 bits. So we will take last 4 bits of all options. We will check which is right one. So 1100. It is binary and in the decimal format it is 12. 12 is divisible by 4. It is 3. It is not divisible. And it is also not divisible. 1, it is also not divisible. So option A is right answer. 7th question, a half adder is also known as XOR circuit. 8th question, consider the following sequence of instructions. A is equals to, they given one expression, B is equals to one expression, and A is equals to, they given three instructions. So we will substitute the values. For example, A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 0. In the first expression, first instruction is this one. So we will substitute 1, 0. The output is 1. So A is equals to 1. Same like B is equals to A XOR B equals to 1. And A is equals to B. A we will substitute, it is 0. B value is 1 and A is also 1. In 1 and 1 means in XOR gate 0. So what are the final values? A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 1. So here these three instructions, swapping operation is happened. So swap A and B is the right answer. And 9th question, the given one circuit, if it tautology, it should be NAND gate. 10th question, when an inverter is placed between both inputs of an SR flip-flop, the result flip-flop is JK flip-flop. 11th question, what is the output of the following C program? See here, in the printf, they given size of 3.14f and size of 3.14, size of 3.141. So by default, floating point constant are stored in the double precision numbers, and the compiler to store the floating point constant in floating point format only. So 3.145 4 bytes based on compiler it will store, and 3.14 and 3.141. So it is a decimal number, and without f is considered also double. So here 8 bytes it will occupy. So option is 488. So none of the above is matching, so no answer. And 12th one, bitwise OR of with 35 with 7 in C will be. So we have to these are the decimal numbers, we have to convert into binary numbers. 35, if we convert the 35 into binary format, 1000111, and this is the 35. 7 means 0001111, and we are having format, right? 1 2 4 8 16 32. So here 32 2 1, 35 and 4 2 1 is 7. OR operation we have to perform. So 1 and 1, here also 1, 0 0 and 1. So 1000111. So it is 32 plus 4 36 plus 2 38 plus 1 39. So answer D 39. 13th question, data members and member functions of a class by default is private. Function overloading done at compile time, and function overriding in runtime. Next question, 15th question, what will be the value of I for the following expression? Integer I is equals to 11, I is equals to 3, and the given ternary expression. So initial value I is equals to 3, we are selecting this I is equals to 3, and the given expression this one we have to evaluate. So final answer is here, after evaluating this, I plus is equals to 2, I is equals to I plus 2, initial value of I is 3, so 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, so answer is 5. And a schema describes the data elements, records and files, record relationships, and answer is all of the above. One approach to standardizing storing of data is the CODA-SYL. This is the one approach to standardizing storing of data. What is the full form of CODA-SYL? Means Conference or Committee on Data System Language. It developed in 1959. It is mainly performing two activities. It works on the development of the COBOL language, and another activity is it's standardizing the database interface. So two activities it is performing: the development of the COBOL language and also the standardizing the database interface. And 18th one, in relational schema, each tuple is divided in fields called domains. 19th question, a embedded printer provides physical record key, inserted index, secondary access path, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. A logged file can be accessed by only one user. 21st question, in what tree for every node the height of its left subtree and right subtree differ at least by 1? Actually, whenever they are given tree and they are saying any height of left subtree and right subtree, in our brain it will recollect the AVL tree. We are using the rotations, left rotation, right rotations, left right rotation, right left rotation. We have 4 rotations are there balancing the height of the tree. So option is AVL tree. 22nd one, a hash function f defined as f of key equals to key mod 7 with linear probing. It is used to insert the key, the given some keys 37, 38, 72, 48, 92, 11, 56 into a table index from 0 to 6. What will be the locations? The given locations 3, 4, 5, 6. First we have to write the function f of key. It is the hash function key mod 7, and we are following the method linear probing and the given 0 to 6 index. So we will take 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here first key is 37 mod 7. 37 mod 7 location is pointing the second one. So here 37 it will store. Next one 38. 38 mod 7, its result is 3, so it is stored in 38. After that 72. 72 mod 7. So second location already 37 element is there, so we are storing this is in first linear probing now. So first we are storing first location, it is 0th location, so here 72. Next 48 48 mod 7 is 6. So 48 we are storing here. Then 98 also it is showing the 98 mod 7 means the location is 6th. So we are storing 98 here, first index. 11 mod 7. So 11 mod 7. So 11 mod 7 location is 4. So here we are storing the 11. What will be the location of 11? It is 4. So the right answer is 4 for 22nd question. 23. Consider the graph. Which of the following is a valid topological sorting? Here they given one graph and we have to find this topological sorting. So here we are seeing, and in a graph each node it will be visited. So A to B and B to D and D to C. This is the right answer for this question, A, B, D, C. D option. 24th question. The initial configuration of a queue ABCD is at the front. To get the configurations DCBA, how many deletions and how many additions are required? In a queue, we have two operations are there, front and rear. So here we are adding and deletion. So first we'll see A, B, C, D, E. Here they are saying A is front. So here A is front and again B, C, D. So we need 3 deletions and DCBA. D is front, C is rear and DCB. DC is front, B is rear and DCB is front, A is rear. This is for deletion and this is for addition, insertion. So we have 3 deletions and 3 additions. So option D is right answer. 25th question. Which traversal technique lists the nodes of a binary search tree in ascending order? It is in order. Ascending order in a traversal techniques. We saw these 2 words and we are seeing in order means it is the right answer. B is the right answer. The traversal nodes we have to arrange in a ascending order. It is in order. And 26th question. The data unit in the TCP/IP application layer is called. It is a message and segment is transport layer. Datagram is transport layer and datagram is network layer. Frames are data link layer. So option A is right answer. 27th question. Which of the following file retrieval methods use hypermedia? That is HTTP. Which of the following client server model? All of the above. Domain name system, FTP, file transfer protocol, telecommunication network. All of the above is right answer. 29th. Dash provide a method to recover data that has been delivered but not get used. It is synchronization. 30th one. Encryption and decryption are the functions of the dash layer of OSI model. That is presentation layer. In presentation layer we are having 3 more functions, that is data conversion and character code translation and data compression also. So 4 functions in presentation layer we are performing: data conversion, data compression, character code translation, encryption and decryption. 31st question. The registers are main memory location which contains the effective address of the operand is known as the pointer. 32. A top-down pass generates leftmost derivation. The bottom up pass generates rightmost derivation. So correct option for this question, leftmost derivation. A general macro processor is an inbuilt function of assembler or compiler. Both are right answers, but here they given assembler, so it is a right answer. 34th one. Which of the following is not collision resolution technique? Chaining indexing is the collision resolution techniques, but they are asking not collision resolution technique. So hash addressing is the right answer. Which activities is not included in the first pass of to assembler? Construct the intermediate code. Answer. 36. Producer consumer problem can be solved using the. What is meant by producer consumer problem? Producer is producing the items, consumer which are producer producing the items, the consumer will be consume all those things, otherwise the bounding it will be overloaded. So we are solving that problem using the semaphores and event counters and monitors and all of the above. 37. If you want to execute more than one program at a time, the system software that are used must be capable of multitasking. We are performing more than one program means humans also doing sometimes more than one task at a time. That time we are called it as a multitasking person. Same, if you want to execute more than one program at a time, the system software that are used the capable of the multitasking. So 38 question, which of the following checks cannot be carried out on the input data to a system? Syntax check. And 39th, non-modifiable procedure are called reentrant procedure. Banker's algorithm is used for the deadlock avoidance. The testing of software against SRS is called acceptance testing. The lower degree of cohesion is coincidental cohesion. The reliability of software is directly dependent upon number of errors. Successive layer of design in software using bottom turn-up design called layer of abstraction. Sliding window concept of software project management. It is a preparation of comprehensible plan. Which of the following transmission media used in the Bluetooth technology? That is radio links. Which of the following is a EDI standard? EDI means electronic data interchange. Standard is X.12, ANSI X.12. Analysis of large database to retrieve information is called OLAP. The cost of the network is usually determined by the switching complexity. The mechanism with which several users can share a medium without interference. It is a multiplexing. This is about the paper 2 solutions for the UGC NET December 2005. If you have any doubts, ask me in comments. Thank you.